What was that? You heard me? If they kid who the hood, you heard me? Got my nigga Boulder Boy right in this bitch with me.
What's up, my nigga?
We owe our bill fish, you know what I'm saying? The nigga have a different behind that camera, you feel me? 10 dudes got money, you best believe that, nigga. Who the hood savage in the making, go get that shit, nigga. Listen to that shit, nigga. You know what I'm saying, nigga? But check this out, nigga, know what I'm saying? I does me, when I does, I does. When I do is I do, you know what I'm saying? You figure dead, you know what I'm saying? Most definitely. But check this out. My nigga Cody. This nigga here. This nigga right here. This nigga.
I party till it ain't no more, you hear me? I party until the birds start chirping, you hear me? When you come with me, it's all gravy, you hear me? I'm down here in that Ratchet City doing my thing, you hear me? You want to fuck with me, come get with me, you hear me? I'm on Malin Street, nigga, all day, blood gang, Lakeside, 10 dude jet boy, you hear me? It's all day official, you hear me?
Oh, yeah.
On everything, you feel me? Who the hood, nigga? Go get that savage to make you feel me, bitch. Check out my face. That's Ratchet Doe.
Oh, yeah. My nigga Doe like that. Oh, yeah. We about to head to the manure.
You know what I'm talking about? How the fuck in that bitch? They got me butt on pink, you know what I'm saying? Fresh as fuck. You know how heavy these be, you heard? You know, like they said, them Levi's back with the matching socks, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But shit, you nigga need to come on, man. Close to this club, I'm pulling bad bitch. You know how I be. Money, money, money. Everybody know about here, but he on that master, but he checking me out. You know how I stunt. Nah, matter of fact, I ain't no stunt, I'm a show out. You know what I'm saying? But it's hot as fuck, though. Holla at your boy, you know what I'm saying? Oh my God. Oh my God. You gotta put it on me. Oh my God. That's who this is. Oh my God. This kid here. Oh my God. This boy. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's no. You need black than a motherfucker. Oh my God. And I got a rap now. Yeah. I'm the king of the pole. King out the jets, nigga. Ride sports, now I'm walking on them J's. Spray skin fade. Got a hat, bitch. And it's OIB made. Look here, I be doing my thug thing. Best believe all the Hootie, yeah, off the chain. I spit flames, but yet Novocaine. Spitting that acid, flow so accurate. You don't want it, I'm known as a donkey. Choppers hit your ass, leave you in a ditch funky. I'm a junkie, stay full of that guala. Me and Heavy G, we posted in the back with our partners. And we hollering them what it do. Best believe I gotta rip that fucking 10-2 to my death day. Nigga, you don't want it. I'm telling you, nigga, leave you funky. What it is, this kid back up on the beat. Got the whole jumping dancing on their fucking feet. But I'm finished. I just set the finish. Fresh ass J's, nigga, I ain't get them out the mall. I got these bitches out the motherfucking street, cause I ain't got no big money, bitch, but check my feet. Bitch. Here we got all ice on.
I'm just chilling, kid. I'm doing me. Shing.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
OIB.
Official.
OIB.
Official.
OIB.
Official.
OIB.
Official.
Don't jog outside.
I'm about to get an overdrive.
Don't even try to get on our bandwagon.
I'm about to get an overdrive in a minute.
I'm about to get an overdrive in a minute.
Overdrive in a minute.
They say that boy about to get an overdrive in a minute. Huh?